Ka Menteri Ketenat Kam An Kejala Kakong Ampareen Lingdo menta ka art pohondu tarik kalawan kendu ya uba Ardent embasayamot ha kejaka basyak tangan Jngoh kum ka Riew Shimet. Watla kadai ke Menteri Sorkar Henry kalaong bakawan kum ka Riew Shimet kum ka MLA ban kerpat ya uba Ardent ban sange no ban syak tangan. Henry na kaliang uba Ardent ulakran syai balada ka Sorkar ka Pak Jngoh ban kemi biang ya ke reservation policy ukloi ban let syaka jingakran bat ka Sorkar.
When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi means Kenya Mukana Ruhoi Ruar Maramulingam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jngoh, if you bring Hoi, then there will be another problem. No, why should you worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are promoting unity. We are promoting unity. We call for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Pona, we include War, we include Hoi. So let us not bring that.
Let us talk about it. Let us discuss this.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I don't want it.
So if
It's not
you're-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
you,
for me.
Not good for the state.
Don't worry for me.
state.
Okay, worry
Not
for
good
the
for all
youth
of us.
of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for me. I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
More. I'm ready
Please,
to sacrifice
please
my
let
life.
us meet. Let us meet across the table. I come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike. Come, let's go. For the good of the state.
No.
Come, Lele. Come. As you wish. As you wish. I have come.
Yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the resolution.
No, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
Ma,
It's on roster.
I have come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty.
Okay,
Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
The strike tadi nomor ba ngikwa pa niya kren kani kamha na kapasiti tangkatang don bon ong ngasuan ban request i man soba ban withdraw no yang tama agitation di nomor bangi don kam dia kren lem da kating ya kren sa ingin yan boy sa kating suku mla
Ato kala belum.
na nga ngaday ka emily ngaday ka nong soslong maso kam ban ngalawan ngalale ila ka jok Kajing hot siya kajing ilang nin saya hot iwan pingin laban ya friend di ngangawan kum kanong song ngawan kum ka MLE ngadon kajing snowsi kajing ba kli lem ngadon ko hok padwan ban request i ban subha ban withdraw ya ka agitation tangkat i ang
Atau pinta apa nih menibor secuma sa pwede bukan dia bermiasong
ngin saya bet ya ka ay kabanjang imla ban ya gran pa nga kermen bakan bet iwan ban bet em personal kum kanong song kum kawai ni ki batray lang bi ba aten nga try kam don problem kata